It's now the time to make a follow-up of the signals which I have sent here last Saturday. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, I would like to say, guys, something about the VIP group of Telegram. I did not talk about it for more than a month because I have to admit that our results was actually lower than our expectations. It was somehow disappointment. I actually had a meeting with the tutor. He's actually the guy who is responsible to send these signals in the VIP group. He's my partner for a long time actually, and we discussed the way of sending these signals, and we decided to improve it and change the way of selecting these signals according to Xtreme trader strategy. And as a result, thankfully, we had actually a great results this week so far. As you can see, on Monday we had 100% profitable signals, more than 180 pips of profit, of course, including some of them running since last week. And thankfully, even yesterday, it was actually also 100% in profit with 107 pips of profit. So again, I believe now the VIP group is finally back on track, and we are finally bringing the results that the clients are expecting from us. So of course, you can join this VIP group of Telegram through the free group of Telegram also, which you can find also in the link in the description below of this video. Here are the results actually guys, from the VIP group. As you can see, 100% in profit. This one really cannot be counted because it's a break even. So again, you can join through the free group of Telegram. That link can be found in the description below of this video, or you can just simply search for it here, Xtreme Trader Signals. So let's now begin with the midweek analysis, and as usual we will start with the EURUSD. Now, in my opinion, the EURUSD guys still have the position of continuing the reversal, or actually I mean the bullish reversal. So meaning most likely we will not change anything about the EURUSD signal. I believe that this signal is still valid, and the market right now has actually made a price action, indicates that the market right now is ready for the bearish fall, and hence it will start now the pullback. So let's wait please for the market to continue the fall to another 33 pips. I think today the FOMC meeting minutes might actually trigger this trade. Let's wait and see what will gonna happen. Anyway, let's wait and see what will gonna happen with the EURUSD. It just remains the same. And let's now move to the pound USD. Now for the pound USD, based on the daily chart, as we can see, the trade hasn't been triggered, but right now the market is actually making some bullish movements. Now it seems to me like also the pound USD is going to continue the rise, but I doubt that it will fall to reach our entry. We have to change the entry. Keeping, of course, the same take profit level, I would like to keep my buy signal for the pound USD, but from different point. Let me now just move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here on the 4-hour time frame, if we just zoom out like this, now what we can see right here is simply if we connect here this support trend line from this lower low all the way right here to this higher low. Now we can see clearly that we had here a lot of times when the market actually has been able to respect that level of support trend line, which has also become here a resistance trend line. Now the pound USD is rising, as you can see. Now most likely the pound USD will actually respect this level of a support trend line again, and then it will continue the reversal. Now right here we can see that we had here a support trend line number 1. Therefore I would like to buy the pound USD exactly on the second attempt of the support trend line. Therefore let's now zoom in, and now we can see that we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 24 pips before we can start buying it. So therefore, I would recommend to buy the pound USD exactly from the lower level of a support right here at 1.268. That, in my opinion, gonna be a better level to start buying the pair. Even right here, we can see this was, of course, a strong level of a key support, which was also in the past a key resistance. So therefore, waiting for the pair to fall to another 25 pips, and then we will actually be expecting at least 110 pips of profit. Let me just now write the signal here in front of you. Buy from 1.268, I would believe. The safe zone also should not be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here, as we can see at 1.263, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 50 pips only against 105 pips of profit, just like that. And let's now move to the AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD, as you can see, is still at the entry point. By moving now to the daily chart, we can see here a strong resistance right here exactly. Let me just mark it for you. Right here exactly, this level, which actually seems like the AUDUSD has actually been retesting for a long time. Now we can expect another retest to happen, but I still believe that eventually the AUDUSD will continue the rise till it reach our take profit level. That support right here exactly at 0.664 is actually holding the position. And right now, all what we can expect is a continuation in the rise. AUDUSD is actually, in my opinion, still valid to continue the rise, in my opinion, by even doing this support trend line right here and moving it all the way to the nearest resistance trend line. We can notice that the pair is indeed respecting that level. So again, AUDUSD signal, my friends, just simply remains the same. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so now regarding USDCAD, as you can see, yesterday actually, guys, we had some news that hit the CAD pairs, but as you can see, it just it actually has just made a spike in the market, and as you can see right now, the market is indeed making here a correction, and seems like the USDCAD signal will continue the fall toward our in our direction. Actually, yesterday the USDCAD reversed for around 36 pips before the news hit the market. As you can see, the market rose to about 42 pips, but again went back right now in only 8 pips only of loss. So again, I believe this signal is gonna remain the same. However, I would actually recommend to resell the USDCAD exactly at the resistance right here at 1.365, because this was of course a key resistance level. Here we have the attempt of number one of the resistance, and right now we have here another attempt of the resistance again. So therefore the market actually might has a chance to continue the rise to reach the same level of the second attempt of the resistance, and afterward it will continue the fall. Therefore let me just write it please for you, that we can actually sell again at 1.365. so the USDCAD most likely will continue the fall. All we have to do is just simply wait for the right moment to sell again. Moving now to the pound JPY. Now, pound JPY has indeed went in the expected direction, but again hasn't been triggered. So this signal, of course, is no longer valid. Let's now see what we can do next with this pair. Now, if we move here to the weekly chart, however, now we can expect from the market to continue the rise till it reach the resistance right here at 200.527. Now, so far, based on the weekly chart, we have 3 continuations of 3 bullish candles, which means, of course, that the market most likely will continue the rise. And I'm totally against selling against the JPY right now. It seems to me like the Japanese economy is really suffering right now. We had here a drop for around 900 pips, but now the market right now is rising again. So it seems to me like it's a price correction right now. So therefore, we will have to look to buy the pound JPY again. Now, by moving to the 30-minute time frame, because of course, based on the 4-hour time frame, we cannot really see anything. Even 1-hour time frame, we cannot really see anything. Let me now move to the 30-minute time frame so we can see it now more clear. Now, what we can see here on the 30-minute time frame is that level of a support trend line. And pay attention, the market is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line. Even, I mean, because we are having a strong upper trend, we had here, of course, a strong bearish breakout from that level, but of course, with a 0 resistance trend line happened. But we had here 2 attempts of a support trend line, which means the pound JPY will continue the rise again if it makes another if it makes another bounce on the level of support trend line. Now, that actually makes us think about the level of the support right here, exactly, to be precise, exactly right here at 199.526. That was indeed, my friends, a strong level of a key support in the past. It was here a resistance, and right now we have here the first attempt of the support. Therefore, if the pound JPY will continue the fall toward the level of the support, it's going to create here a support number 2, plus of course respecting the support trend line. So therefore, I believe we can start buying this pair after it make a drop for another 14 pips only. I think that's going to be actually the best level to start buying the pound JPY. And for the take profit level, I will not place it right here, of course, at the top of the resistance. That's going to be about 200 pips. It's unrealistic in my opinion. Let's actually aim the half of that by targeting at least 108 pips, and a safe zone that should not be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance right here at 197.942, ranging for about 50. We need to make it about 50 pips only. I mean, we don't need more than that. Exactly, 50 pips is the safe zone against 107 pips of profit. And let's now move to the USDCHF, which I believe is still gonna hold the position, even though it has reversed actually from, or actually it didn't reverse yet from the take profit level. USDCHF is very, very slow bear right now, and it's slowly climbing its way toward our sell area. Therefore, I believe that the USDCHF will also just, my friends, remain the same. Now regarding gold, of course, as we can see, gold actually was really a good signal. It was actually going in profit for a long time. I mean, the market right now is actually ranging inside of the safe zone. It was ranging at the entry. Now, of course, those who have joined the free group of Telegram, they were actually able to close it in 70 pips of profit, as you can see right here. That was my recommendation, to close it right now in 70 pips of profit to secure the pips of profit. And that is the reason I'm telling you, my friends, you have got to join this free group of Telegram to receive these updates about any signal which I'm sending here on YouTube. Don't trade by yourself, guys. Don't just enter the trade or actually watch the video and then remain by yourself. You have got really to stay with the Xtreme Trader team to know the updates about these signals, which of course I cannot send on YouTube. I have got to use my Telegram channel to send it out. So of course we cannot really analyze the gold right now in this video. I have already another video dedicated for the gold, which I will upload actually later today. But in my opinion, the gold might actually still hold the position, since we're having here a broken level of a resistance trend line. It became here a support trend line number 1. And right now we can expect from the gold to continue the fall again toward the same level of a support on 2,406, and might actually create another support trend line number 2 right here also, and then it will continue the rise. So again, gold signal remains the same, but again, I will update you guys later in another video on my channel called the gold follow-up deeper analysis. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.